हेलो एंड वेलकम यू ऑल। आपका स्वागत है आज के एक न्यू वीडियो में। तो आज हम टोटल 180 मार्क्स इन वन चैप्टर क्लियर करेंगे, जिसमें 35 इजी से मॉडरेट क्वेश्चन होंगे एंड 10 मॉडरेट से हार्ड क्वेश्चन होंगे, मतलब टोटल 45 क्वेश्चन होंगे। मेक श्योर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते समय बुक और पेन साथ रखें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Question number 1. During the formation of the primary plant body, specific region of the apical meristem produce option A dermal tissues, option B ground tissues, option C vascular tissue, option D all of this. Correct option D all of this. Question number 2. The meristem occur at the tip of root and shoot is option A apical meristem, option B intercalary meristem, option C primary meristem, option D secondary meristem. Correct option A apical meristem. Question number 3. Grasses regenerate and elongate by the activity of option A primary meristem, option B secondary meristem, option C intercalary meristem, option D apical meristem. Correct option C intercalary meristem. Question number 4. Which of the following provides mechanical support to the growing parts of the plant like young stem and petiole of a leaf? Option A sclerenchyma, option B collenchyma, option C parenchyma, option D xylem vessel. Correct option B collenchyma. Question number 5. The major function of sieve tubes in plants is option A mechanical support, option B translocation of water and minerals, option C translocation of organic solute, option D food storage. Correct option C translocation of organic solutes. Question number 6. Which of the following tissues provide mechanical strength against bending and swaying? Option A parenchyma, option D collenchyma, option C sclerenchyma, option D scleroids. Correct option B collenchyma. Question number 7. Mesophyll cells come under option A epidermal tissue system, option B vascular tissue system, option C ground tissue system, option D all of this. Correct option C ground tissue system. Question number 8. Which of the following is not the part of ground tissue system? Option A vascular bundle, option B pericycle, option C pith, option D cortex. Correct option A vascular bundle. Question number 9. If xylem and phloem are arranged to different radii, then arrangement of vascular bundle is said to be option A open, option B close, option C radial, option D enlarged. Correct option C radial. Question number 10. Which type of vascular bundle is common in stems and leaves? Option A radial, option B close, option C conjoint, option D lateral. Correct option C conjoint. Question number 11. The layer have deposition of water impermeable waxy material suberin is called option A endodermis, option B Casparian strip, option C pericycle, option D pith. Correct option B Casparian strip. Question number 12. The specialized cells in the epidermis of monocot leaves that help in rolling and unrolling of leaves are option A epitheme cells, option B complementary cells, option C buliform cells, option D trichoblast cell. Correct option C buliform cells. Question number 30. Water containing cavities are present within the vascular bundles of option A monocot roots, option B dicot roots, option C dicot stem, option D monocot stem. Correct option D monocot stem. Question number 40. On the basis of following description of vascular bundles, identify the section of plant in which they are present. Vascular bundles diarch to hexarch radially arranged. Option A monocot stem, option B dicot stem, option C monocot root, option D dicot root. Correct option D dicot root. Question number 15. In dicot leaf, vascular bundles are surrounded by a layer of thick walled option A parenchymatous cells, option B buliform cells, option C bundle sheath cell, option D phloem parenchyma. Correct option C bundle sheath cells. Question number 16. The waxy material deposited in the Casparian strip of the endodermis is option A pectin, option B suberin, option C cellulose, option D lignin. Correct option B suberin. Question number 70. A conjoined and open vascular bundles will be observed in the transverse section of option A monocot root, option B monocot stem, option C dicot root, option D dicot stem. Correct option D dicot stem. Question number 18. Interfascicular cambium and cork cambium are formed due to option A cell division, option B cell differentiation, option C cell de-differentiation, option D redifferentiation. Correct option C cell de-differentiation. Question number 19. Which of the following simple tissues are commonly found in the fruit walls of nuts and pulp of pear? Option A sclerites, option B fibers, option C parenchyma, option D collenchyma. Correct option A sclerites. Question number 20. Which one of the following is not found in gymnosperm? Option A shoot cell, option B albuminous cells, option C tracheids, option D vessel. Correct option D vessels. Question number 21. Which of the following helps in maintenance of the pressure gradient in sieve tubes? Option A albuminous cells, option B sieve cells, option C phloem parenchyma, option D companion cells. Correct option D companion cells. Question number 22. In conifers, fibers are likely to be absent in option A secondary phloem, option B secondary xylem, option C primary phloem, option D leaves. Correct option B secondary xylem. Question number 23. Which one of the following cell type always divide by anticlinical cell division? Option A fusiform initial cell, option B root cap, option C protoderm, option D phalogen. Correct option C protoderm. Question number 24. Companion cells in plant are associated with option A vessel, option B sperms, option C sieve elements, option D guard cell. Correct option C sieve elements. Question number 25. Cortex is the region found between option A epidermis and stele, option B pericycle and endoderms, option C endoderms and pit, option D endodermis and vascular bundles. Correct option A epidermis and stele. Question number 26. Cells of this tissue are living and show angular wall thickening. They also provide mechanical support. The tissue is option A xylem, option B sclerenchyma, option C collenchyma, option D epidermis. Correct option C collenchyma. Question number 27. The first form primary phloem consists of narrow sieve tubes and is referred to as option A exarch, option B endarch, option C protoploem, option D metaploem. Correct option C protoploem. Question number 28. The deposition of waxy material subrine in the tangential as well as radial walls in the form of Casparian strip is found in option A epidermal cells, option B guard cell, option C endodermal cell in root, option D subsidiary cells. Correct option C endodermal cells in root. Question number 29. Vascular bundles in dicot stem are option A conjoined open and exarch, option B conjoined open and endarch, option C conjoined close and exarch, option D conjoined close and endarch. Correct option B conjoined open and endarch. Question number 30. In the leaf of plant, vascular bundles are found in option A vein and midrib, option B lower epidermis, option C palisade tissue, option D upper epidermis. Correct option A veins and midrib. Question number 31. The outermost layer of a dicot root responsible for absorption is called option A epiblema, option B trichome, option C medullary rays, option D mesophyll. Correct option A epiblema. Question number 32. Which of the following structures surrounded the vascular bundles in sieves? Option A bundle sheath cells, option B endodermis, option C epidermis, option C hypodermis. Correct option A bundle sheath cells. Question number 33. What is the name of parenchymatous tissue that is located between the xylem and phloem? Option A cambium, option B conjunctive tissue, option C pericycle, option D medullary rays. Correct option B conjunctive tissue. Question number 34. In an dorsiventral leaf, palisade parenchyma is located toward option A abaxial surface, option B adaxial surface, option C around the midrib, option D near the stomata. Correct option B adaxial surface. Question number 35. Radial vascular bundles with polyarch condition are found in option A dicot stem, option B dicot root, option C monocot stem, option D monocot root. Correct option D monocot root. तो हमारा 35 क्वेश्चन का इजी से मॉडरेट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गए और अब हम मॉडरेट से हट क्वेश्चन जो लास्ट के 10 क्वेश्चन है वो हम सॉल्व करेंगे। Question 1. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Cuticle is absent in lower epidermal region of the dorsiventral lip. Reason R. In dorsiventral leaves, the abaxial epidermis generally bears more stomata than the adaxial epidermis. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option A is true but R is false. Option B, assertion is false but reason is true. Option C, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option D, both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Correct option B, assertion is false but reason is true. Question number 2. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Endarch and exarch are the terms often used for describing the position of secondary xylem in the plant body. Statement 2. Polyarch xylem bundles is the most common feature of the dicot root system. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Statement 1. Option 1. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option B. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Option C. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Correct option D. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Question number 3. On the basis of given features, select the correct option to which they belong. Option A. Cambium absent. Option B. Vascular bundle scattered. Option C. Phloem parenchyma. Option B. absent. Option D. water containing cavities present. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए डाइकॉट एंड मोनोकॉट स्टेम, ऑप्शन बी डाइकॉट रूट एंड मोनोकॉट लीफ, ऑप्शन सी मोनोकॉट स्टेम ओनली, ऑप्शन डी मोनोकॉट रूट स्टेम एंड लीफ. Correct option C, monocot stem only. Question number 4. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. Option A, trichomes prevent water loss. Option B, all tissues that are neither vascular or nor epidermal tissue are called ground tissue. Option C, medullary rays are parenchymatous. Option D, pith is with very small intercellular space in dicotyledonous stems. Correct option D, pith is with very small intercellular space in dicotyledonous stem. Question number 5. Which among the following is not correct about monocot stem? Option A, bundle sheath is sclerenchymatous. Option B, more than one conjoined vascular bundles are present. Option C, water containing cavities are present within the vascular bundles. Option D, peripheral vascular bundles are larger than centrally located ones. Correct option D, peripheral vascular bundles are large than centrally located ones. Question number 6. Identify which of the following characteristics are related to the dicotyledonous lips. Option A, parallel venation. Option B, absence of bulliform cells in the epidermis. Option C, mesophyll not differentiated into pellucid and spongy. Option D, well differentiated mesophyll. Choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Option A, B and D are correct. Option B, A, B and C are incorrect. Option C, A, B and C are correct. Option D, B and D are correct. Correct option D, statement B and D are correct. Question number 7. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, parenchyma is living but collenchyma is dead tissue. Statement 2, gymnosperm lack xylem vessel but presence of xylem vessel is the characteristic of angiosperm. Option A, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option B, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Option C, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Correct option B, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Question number 8. Out of the following, how many features belong to monocot root? Option 1, radial vascular bundles. 2, cambium is absent. 3rd, endodermis absent. 4th, pith well developed. 5th, polyp condition. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct option D 4. Question number 9. Read the following statement about Catherine Isau and choose the incorrect one. Option A. Anatomy of seed plants by Catherine Isau was referred to as Webster of Plant Biology. It is encyclopedic. Option B. In her early work, she demonstrated that the curly top virus spreads through the plant via xylem tissue. Option C. Her book Plant Anatomy in 1954 contributed to the revival of interest in the discipline worldwide. Option D. She was awarded the National Medal of Science in 1989 by President George Bush. Correct option B. In her early work, demonstrated that the curly top virus spread through the plant via xylem tissue. Question number 10. Which of the following section is most suitable for studying the tissue organization in root, stem and leaves? Option A. Longitudinal section of the young region of these organs. Option B. Transverse section of the actively growing region of these organs. Option C. Longitudinal section of the mature regions of this organ. Option D. Transverse section of the mature regions of this organ. Correct option D. Transverse section of mature regions of these organs. आई होप आपने क्वेश्चन सही से सॉल्व किए होंगे। 45 में से कितने क्वेश्चन करेक्ट हुए कमेंट में बताओ। मिलते हैं अगले ऐसे ही न्यू वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।